Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. This is Keesy Tech at your service, and we're thrilled to have you here. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of Redmi, with a special focus on the Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G, a device that has truly made waves in the consumer electronics market. Whether you're a proud owner or just a tech enthusiast interested in the latest gadgets, you've come to the right place. The Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G has garnered attention for its impressive features, sleek design, and remarkable performance at an affordable price point. From its powerful Snapdragon processor to its vibrant AMOLED display, this device offers a premium experience without breaking the bank. But, as with any smartphone, it's essential to understand how to maintain and troubleshoot common issues to keep it running smoothly. Today, we're going to focus on a crucial aspect of smartphone maintenance, the LCD replacement. If you've experienced a cracked or malfunctioning display, you know how disruptive it can be to your daily usage. A damaged LCD not only hampers your viewing experience, but can also lead to further internal damage if left unaddressed. So whether your display has suffered accidental drops, scratches, or other damages, understanding the process of LCD replacement can be invaluable. Why is the LCD important? The LCD, liquid crystal display, is the core visual component of your smartphone. It displays everything from your home screen, apps, videos, and photos, to notifications and settings. The quality and integrity of this component directly impact your user experience. A clear, responsive display ensures you get the most out of your device, whether you're gaming, streaming, or working. Signs that you need an LCD replacement. Before we delve into the process, let's identify some common signs indicating that your Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G's LCD may need replacing. Cracked or shattered screen, visible cracks or shattered glass that compromise visibility. Unresponsive touch. Parts of the screen do not respond to touch input. Discolored or flickering display, unusual colors, flickering, or lines cross the screen. Dead pixels or spots, areas of the screen that remain black or display incorrect colors. Display failure, complete black or white screens with no display output. Pre-replacement precautions. Before attempting any repair, safety and proper procedure are paramount. Back up your data. Always back up your important data before attempting repairs. Power off the device. Turn off your Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G completely. Gather necessary tools, precision screwdrivers, plastic pry tools, tweezers, adhesive strips, and possibly a heat gun. Work in a clean, static-free environment to prevent dust or static damage. Step-by-step guide to LCD replacement. 1. Remove the back cover. Use a plastic pry tool to gently unclip the back cover. 2. Disconnect the battery. 3. Remove the display assembly. Heat the edges with a heat gun or eye opener to soften the adhesive. 4. Disconnect ribbon cables. 5. Remove the old LCD. Once disconnected, carefully lift out the damaged LCD assembly. 6. Attach the new LCD. Connect the new display's ribbon cables securely. Test the new LCD. 7. Reassemble. Reattach the display assembly, ensuring all clips and connectors are secure. Reconnect the battery and power on the device to test the new display. Post-replacement tips. Test thoroughly, check touch responsiveness, color accuracy, and display brightness. Install screen protector to prevent future damage. Handle with care. Even new displays can be fragile. Professional repair or DIY? While DIY LCD replacement can save money, it requires patience and precision. If you're not comfortable with delicate electronics work, it's best to seek professional repair services to avoid further damage. Final thoughts. Maintaining your Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G's display is essential for preserving its visual integrity and overall functionality. Knowing how to replace the LCD can empower you to handle minor damages without immediate professional intervention. However, always weigh the risks and benefits. Sometimes professional repair might be the safer choice. Thanks for tuning into Keesy Tech. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth tech reviews and tutorials. If you have any questions or want us to cover other repair guides, leave a comment below. Stay tech savvy and see you in the next video.